Gay marriage supporters are proclaiming victory after an appeals court yesterday upheld a lower court's ruling that said Indiana's ban on same-sex marriage was unconstitutional. As news of the decision spread across the state, crowds formed for impromptu celebrations. But unlike the last time the ban was struck down, same-sex weddings were not allowed to take place, which disappointed some advocates.
I've heard that the stay is going to be held, but I think that this is in the right direction, and I think that we're almost there, almost to full equality.
The three-judge panel that handed down the decision was considering Wisconsin's ban in addition to Indiana's. Judge Richard Posner wrote in the decision that the cases were straightforward. He writes, "The challenged laws discriminate against a minority defined by an immutable characteristic, and the only rationale that the states put forth with any conviction that same-sex couples and their children don't need marriage because same-sex couples can't produce children, intended or unintended, is so full of holes that it cannot be taken seriously." State House reporter Brendan Smith has been talking to the ACLU and the Attorney General. He joins us now to break down what the ruling means for same-sex couples and its significance nationally. Hi, Brandon. Despite the ruling, same-sex marriages that aren't being allowed right now, why is that?
Well, the federal appeals court has to issue what's called a mandate for the state to enforce its ruling. They didn't do so in this case, most likely because it seems pretty clear that the suit will continue on to the next level. So the previous stay on the district court's ruling remains in effect.
So even though same-sex couples cannot get married, advocates are still calling this a success.
Absolutely. They called it a victory for love. One couple talked about the feeling that with each win in court, it adds, their marriage feels more concrete. Another couple talked about each win adding more joy to the special day of their marriage.
And what's been the state's response to this ruling? As we said in earlier, the judge was very critical of the state's arguments.
Well, the governor and Senate President Pro Tem David Long each sent out statements saying roughly the same thing, which is their hope is that going forward, the right to define marriage will remain with the states. Governor Pence did note that whatever the final decision in this case, he will ensure the state follows that ruling.
Well, so Indiana's law has been struck down twice now, once by the lower court and now by the appeals court. So what's next?
Well, as ACLU attorney Ken Falk said, there is a line forming at the U.S. Supreme Court as a lot of states are asking the justices to weigh in on their marriage cases. Everyone seems to agree that it's very likely the court will take up the issue of same-sex marriage when its next term begins less than a month from now.
Okay, thank you very much, Brandon.